On top waiting that happened today. I want to talk about Caesarean section, CS. I need to cough out because I'm tired of Indo. Indo, what's be your problem? No, Indo, you greet them today. You greet people today. Superstar DJ Indo on the wheels of steel.
General DJ Indo.
Indo, you know the separate don't they enter. So you don't go greet if I don't remind you make you greet. For house, if they remind you to greet, you don't know what they follow up. When they grow up, if they remind you to greet, you don't know what they follow up.
If you greet finish, you have to say, okay, now you don't greet. Which mouth I want to answer you. You always remind me to greet.
Oh, but they're going to threaten us like say. I remember those days I was wondering. But person not just forget something. Greet you, Wala. When I remember, hey, did you see me? Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon to you too. All our aunties that here. Hey, God, do have mercy on all our aunties and uncles. Well, I guess welcome back. So I want to talk about C-section. I don't know. And I believe I'm open today for you to really choke mouth. I really want to make we get heart-to-heart conversation on top this matter. Why the society get problem with women wey born pikin through Caesarean section? Why the society, most people, they shame women wey born pikin with CS, with operation, with that surgery? Why you as a human, male and female, get problem with Caesarean section? Now, why you as a woman wey get belle, wey doctor don't tell, say for you to feel survive na 50-50. Say the only way where you go take survive na make they do surgery to bring out your pikin, so they go feel save your pikin. Why you as a woman go say no? You get problem with them. One, is either say na you get the problem, or na say na your husband get the problem, or na say na your family members get the problem, or your church get the problem, or your community, your meeting get the problem. Lagos, they come back. Now, what thing we get to talk about today? And please join this conversation. Tell other people may they hear. Because today, if I say now one of those days when me and Una go there for junction. Today, we go discuss this matter. Will they come back? No, touch your eye. Yes, welcome back. I tell you, for this month, I go focus more. You see the issue of Caesarean section. And I say welcome really because everybody need to pay attention on top waiting will happen here, especially as we start today. Now, if you just join in now, Women's Gonna Be This and on top Oga Madam Show. So we talk C-section. And I mentioned earlier why the society get a problem with a woman we deliver, we born, we put to birth with Caesarean section. And now, why even some women they detect, like they don't want, they detest them, they don't want know, they don't want hear them. May doctor no tell them, you go here, God forbid, not me. You understand? Why it be a problem? And now, I try to encourage you whether listen to me on the radio to try to also they read up. Because I want make we move on the same, when we get conversation, make it their insight, like make we get insight about things. Make we understand things, make we read on why they always encourage you on top of the show to know something about something. You get? Now, when you follow, I try to go back in the day when I begin to hear about this, I go deliver like the Hebrew women. I try to go read more. I want to understand. Now still the same Bible talks, and my people actually they perish because of lack of knowledge, right? And now the same book of the Holy Book also tell you, say, you shall know the truth, and the truth will also set you free. Now, back in the day, when you read like 200 DC and all those plenty back in the day something, you find out if they want born pikin and your pikin no fit come out, they open the woman womb to bring out the baby, and they go lose the woman go die because they got saved they must bring out the baby. Now, when they never know, doctors never know the way out. So doctors begin the research. Doctors begin the digging. We need to begin to save the woman and save the child. We no go continue to lose the women and try to save the baby. So solution come. I really want to make you choke mouth. Now, why I no go deep in details to tell you how the word migrate from time to time. Now, when we begin to save the mother and the child, but now the mother go need so much time to heal. And then people now come with the issue of trying to brainwash you, to tell you about the Hebrew women. And I try to sit you down and ask you, are you a Hebrew woman? You really read that story. You see inside the Bible when they compare, who be the people we talk about these Hebrew women? Now, even when, I think Pharaoh time, when he be asked the women, where they, like the midwives, questions, and the midwives also been talk say, oh, the Egyptian women them know they deliver like the Hebrew women, no, because the Hebrew women they're vigorous, they get because they're very energetic, because of the labor, because of the things where they do. Somebody where we say it's just like an athlete now, somebody where they run all the time, where they jump, they climb mountain all the time, they're different from somebody where they do exercise. So now the issue be that the Hebrew women then they walk constantly, vigorous. So they put to bed, they get the, should I call it the energy or the strength, because just somebody what don't they exercise from beginning of the, like imagine Choma Ajuwana, they train for Olympics. When the Olympics come, you expect her to win something because she don't they train. Now somebody when not they train, no go fit win something. So I want to make you put them side by side where this issue of Hebrew women come from. Now, but the Egyptian women, they not truly get that kind of, they not go feel just pop like that, born like that easily. So it go take them time to go through labor before the baby go still come out with the assistance of the midwives them. Meanwhile, the Hebrew women then, the midwives that talk say even before they come, the Hebrew women don't labor born fast. And I still want to take you back. Go read, research. The reason why they born that fast, I just give you the analogy. Like imagine Chioma Ajunwa, they train for Olympics. She don't dare ready to feel win. Okay? Because of the kind of labor where the Hebrew women they do then. Remember, they till the ground, they walk, they harvest the day for field 247. Now you can't come for present day. Then pastors begin to use them, they quote for you, say you must put to bed like the Hebrew women. And the question why I go ask you be say, are you a Hebrew woman? You also know, say scientifically, they talk say the cervix of the Hebrew women, they somehow, you get as they shaped. They like your own, where be a Nigerian woman, where be a woman from Congo, where be a woman from UK, where be a woman from the US. Read up. Now, when a doctor tell you, say you no go fit born this child naturally through the birth canal, the child no go fit come out because your pelvic dey small. You say it's not my portion. I must labor and born the child. When doctor tell you say your baby dey breech the baby no go fit come out, the position of the baby, the way he dey no go fit come out, you say no be my portion. I must deliver like the Hebrew women. When doctor tell you say you get obstructed kind of labor, you say lie, witches and wizard, my village people, is not my portion. I must deliver like the Hebrew woman. When doctor tell you say your baby dey too large, baby way big, no go fit come out from that pelvic, you say lie, your village people have come. Some of us even go as far as taking agbo, drinking things to slim the baby inside the belly, so that the baby go fit pass through that cervix. Then you endanger this baby's life. When the baby they now born am, you go come find out say nutritionally the baby no go match up, because you get so many things where you don't deprive the baby in the womb, or because you they drink something to make the baby make it slim down. That's no matter for another day. Today, when doctor tell you say if that baby force himself through that cervix, that baby go rupture your uterus, and then when he rupture that uterus, you go get bleeding. You say lie, I must deliver like the Hebrew women. When doctor tell you say if that baby force through, he go tear you into 100. You say lie, I must deliver like the Hebrew women. And I'm asking you again, you be Hebrew woman. Shebi, I don't give you some of the reasons why Hebrew women they born the way they're born. Some of us they go as far as calling and praying and fasting and I'm asking, it be a crime for you to born in a different way. Baby, they come out from the birth canal, and then with all these reasons why I mentioned to you now, the baby no fit come out, and then doctors decide to open your womb, another method, another way to born pikin. You say lie. Now the week they born like that, and I go ask you again, to born this baby through the birth canal, did they give a word for them? Now it go lead us to heaven. Is it a greater achievement to pass other people where they bring out their baby from the belly? And this thing what they talk about, they affect both male and female. We get a problem with them. There's a stigma in the society where somebody go, they compare another person where born through the birth canal to another person where boy say, born baby by himself, say he born through CS. And I'm asking, you don't carry belly 9 months before. You don't pass so many things so that they pass through to feel born this child through CS. You suppose they go church, they thank God. Say the baby even survive and you survive. And the human being get the guts to tell another woman where survive 9 months journey. Do you even know that journey is the journey to hell and heaven and back? You will not tell her to her face she no born. Because she no born through the birth canal, because she gets some kind of complication. Some of you will be women go get this complication. You prefer to die than come out alive because you want proof I born through the birth canal. And I they ask, please share your please chook mouth. Tell me, waiting actually be our problem as a people. Some of us need, verification from people to say, hey, I born. Some go hospital, say, hey, you don't born. How you take born? Oh, no, magic. And you think this is not witchcraft? Please tell me, waiting you think say be the problem with CS for you. Use yourself personally to judge. Because recently, I think it's this governor from Kaduna where in daughter-in-law born through CS. And she said people, they send that question. They say, they ask her, say, you know born by yourself. And I'm asking, she said, make anybody. So she even post on social media. Say, anybody will try ask me that stupid question. Tell me, waiting be your grievance, waiting be your anger or your vex, waiting they sadden you, say a woman put to bed, and waiting you they concerned about. This is why they talk, not be only men or women now them be the champion to do am. Why you hate yourself so much? Why a doctor go tell you say you go born through say say God forbid. Please chook mouth. I don't top the phone line first, and my messages. Heaven and earth go help me read them today. Things that they happen around us. Lagos, welcome back. Still on top women's corner with the talk C-section. Yes, women where they put to bed through Caesarean section. And if you just join in, you don't miss a beat. But with the pick calls, Lagos join in. Sharp. Hello, who they there on top of our phone line? Check them out. Hello.
Look at just me, baby.
Hey, boo-boo.
Hi, boo-boo. Well done. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
All right, this is Mrs. Jane from Badagry.
Welcome, Mrs. Ide.
All right, I want to share my experience on this issue.
Okay.
My other sister, on her tender age, when she gets her first issue, hear me, she delivered normally, all by herself. The second issue at some age later, and say she will use CS. One go valley, one mountain, one escalator. God forbid that, blah, 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 blah. My sister, she ended up doing that CS. The third issue again, not to say the baby knows still well, he's slant for the womb. So they will still do that same CS again. No prayer, no mountain will no go, nobody will no go.
Okay.
I don't know if it's not make up her mind that if that is will go for her and baby to be healthy, to be alive. They did it and the baby was okay and she is okay. So to me, I know they say all these things are one big issue. As long as your life is your life,
yeah,
to be healthy. So why would they think say person born 2 years, no born? The pain of him going that labor pain is alone is easy. That pain for labor alone, the sister no easy. At that point, woman will say some nasty out of their mouth, some curse out of their mouth. So if it's will of God for you to go through CS and have yourself and your baby, please let it be. The men will pray for the provision for God to provide. That is what I see.
All right. Hello, Lagos Chukmouth.
Hello, Auntie Cheche. Good afternoon.
Hi, darling. Good afternoon.
Yes, ma. In fact, this topic that you read this afternoon, I say God, the Spirit of God is one. And she said, you know what happened? On last year, one of my friends pregnant. So when this is her third pregnancy, they asked her that she will give birth to this third one with CS. She said, God forbid, Holy Ghost fire, this one, this one, this one. I was telling her, see, there is no way that you deliver. Anyhow that you deliver, maybe that is where God wants it. You have been delivered by yourself. This third one, doctor said that you are putting to bed with CS. Don't bother yourself. Don't bother yourself. Just relax your mind. She says she can never. Even I tell her that, you see, many people is giving birth to CS. Not that they want to give birth to CS. It's for God to, maybe that is the way God wants them to, their life and the child. She said, no, before you know it. Honestly, she didn't tell me anything, no. She didn't tell her husband. Another person carried.
Wait. She not tell her husband.
She did not tell her husband anything.
Wow.
And she's a very close friend to me. She did not tell me anything again. For you to see devil, her one of her friend again, not carry her go for Yalabu.
Whoa.
I'm the one that agreed to you on Friday. I came to your office. I'm the one that's talking now.
Oh, darling.
In fact, when they reach the place, according to them, they say the Ayalabo say you do this, you deliver. I will not lie on along the line. The woman he died.
She died.
She died. Baby survived. She died. As long as she's going to process to push that baby, she give up. She give up because doctor told her that she don't have enough power to push. So to assist her child and herself, they have to operate her. But she refused. She died. The baby is around now. The baby is around suffering. I was just like, in fact, people don't understand. People don't understand. Honestly, they just want to put everything on their hands. God can work in different way. They don't know. God can work in different way. Honestly, when you raise this topic, I just enter my heart and tune the road and say, wow. God bless you, my sister. Well done.
Thank you, darling. And yeah, I understand. So many people go talk, say, okay, now the money for CS, they very high and all that. But you go prefer to die than to run around for money, actually, to fee pay. Now, maybe we need to the channel on the side of maybe hospitals need to begin to they get programs or even private sectors on how to assist women where go need to born through CS, because when you also check them now the cost of they cost most of this problem. People go say, I will go get this kind of money, 500 million, some even more than that, to fee pay for a CS. But I still ask again, your life and for and that money, which one? You go need to equate them. You go need to balance. I mean, get any way for you to rate the both at the same level. I don't think so. I've been mentioned so many things where they involved, especially when doctors begin to they see through, say you no go feel born through your baby no go feel come out through the birth canal. Some people now in the process of pushing, then complication go come in and doctors need to save you and save the baby almost immediately. And you begin to argue, and the one where they pay me the most, the one where they grind the person heart the most, now the one where we say you go need to now begin to take permission from people who don't even understand. Some, now you the woman even be the problem. You know say you are seeing yourself, you are dying. You go say no. Now your religion. Now your background, now waiting the things where they don't teach you, that means you don't want to be alive. Some they beg their husbands to sign. I don't forget this name of this country. We don't stop them now. Say if a woman they pregnant and then she needs to that let her nominate anybody at all. If she no go fit talk, if na a case of emergency, because we don't see situations on so many court cases where doctors go ahead to do operation. That one is a long time ago, where the husband or the family members go say, did we send you to do operation? Now why did they not ask for? Yes, you need to sign documentation, you need to sign to agree. So some people will be and you get another angle where be elective a CS where we say couple go decide on their own, say yes, we want to do through CS. Maybe we don't see, doctors don't tell you one or two reasons. You go don't say, okay, we don't see them. Husband and wife go agree, so okay, now CS we go do. They plan them ahead to feed them. So both of them go need to sign, or the husband will sign in some cases. But you get, I don't forget the country where don't do. I'm saying now the woman go agree for herself because she need to save her life. Just like if you die, life go move on. It go on. So why they go carry something we get to do with life, your own life, put in another person's hand, and the person where they put them in hand not even understand what you they go through. I mean, somebody when not they even get belly, when not even understand what it means to carry belly, now you go consign to agree whether you go feel born through CS or not. And I'm asking like what? How? So people don't they wake up to these things. So we need to save your life. So people go they make phone calls, they call their pastors, their spiritual. I so much love it. Speak to your pastors, your spiritual head. Talk to them to assist you in prayers and everything. But I think this permission where you they ask for now, you suppose don't begin them since where you don't, because to even get belay alone, to carry them alone, now the grace of God. Suppose don't start them tete. Then at this junction now, where they talk to the baby, now if you come out, then you they call to get certification from your spiritual father or your spiritual mother for you to feel go ahead. I mean, you are in between. See, it's only you and God know the journey right now. No human go understand because they know they go through that journey with you. I get lots of messages to feel read for here. Cheche Sweet, thank you for the topic. I think it's out of ignorance and myopic thinking. The days women go in for it to avoid stress and pain of these days, women go through it to avoid stress and pain of labor. Okay, you talk say we need more orientation, especially during antenatal. God bless you, Vicky. Thank you, Cheche. Don't mention my name. Sending you love from Austria. I practically went for elective CS because Cheche, I didn't want the stress of pushing. It's not easy. And any day anybody would talk to me about giving birth to say, Cheche, I'll slap, but don't slap anybody. You will enter problem. You don't carry this one that vex, that they vex. That Cheche, this is how they killed a friend of mine's baby. It was breached and they took her to local place that claims she can reverse the baby. The baby died in her stomach when they are trying. Then they finally took her to doctors for CS, brought out a baby. All over the baby. Say the baby. Fanny. So painful. I'm so sorry, Fanny. Okay. Cheche, my neighbor, once she took in, from day one, she will start sick. She'll be sick. She'll be unable to eat anything. So she will not have any strength for labor. All her kids, she had them through CS. Meg, some women are like that. And it get nothing to do with is their body, you know, how they be. And some of them no go fit taking anything, and when you don't eat much to even the ones who eat never get strength, and the one who never eats. How far greeting to you there? I say make I greet you. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, Cheche. My name na Ogechi. I had my baby last year. My husband already prepared for it, whether na CS or normal birth, so he was in full support. In fact, he been want to have CS so that I won't stress myself, but as God will have it, I gave birth normally. But my mom kept telling me that a woman who gives birth will worshipped by her husband. Tell your mom to please, mommy, please, just sit down one place. Just sit one place. And mommy, God bless you. But this your mindset now, mommy. Now mindset of 1920. Okay, good day, Cheche. I'm Chinwe from Sabo. My dear, my first son of 13 years was through CS. When I returned from hospital, I told my neighbor. She told me not to tell anybody that it's an abomination for a woman to deliver through child. I laughed and I went my way. Thank you so much. Cheche, US, a woman has to sign. Yes, a woman has to. They say the beginning of your message. Cheche, please, a woman has to sign on her behalf. Love you. Okay, the topic, the Bible says pride goes before a fall. You see Nigerian women they talk a lot. You see this matter of CS, to save the mother and save the child, but our country not taboo for women. And for taboo where people will believe say not taboo for them. If you really love your life, you don't go think waiting anybody they talk. I tell you for free. I'm Sylvester from Zoom. Contacting you respect of okay, Sylvester, this where you send this Zuma cash, this now Wazobia FM, okay? And I'm not sure say we get that kind of things. Cheche Sorosoke, thank you. Hi, Cheche, thank you for the topic. What I think is that the CS money is way too much, Cheche. You will see a family that is managing to eat and then they hear CS, they would even prefer to die self because they won't have that money. Please, they should do something about the cost, and I believe it will work. All women should adhere to their doctor's instruction because every life is important. Thank you so much for a great opportunity to choke mouth. Goodness, thank you. Cheche, Mr. Adebayo, I just want to appreciate you for your program. Thank you, Mr. Adebayo. Hi, my love, Cheche. Good afternoon. Increase your voice. Let's also know ignorance is the name of a religion. don't kill us finish. Okay, religion don't kill us finish. But in the other side, though, it's lack of money and poor health center. Apart from soccer, I see you, Pa Cheche. I love your lovely voice. Thank you, Cheche. Love. I gave birth away 2 of my kids through CS after going through labor a few hours before my first child, and eventually landed in the theater. I vow never to go through labor again. Okay, Jane, I understand. You can't go that one a double. You can't go through labor. You can't push. You halfway now they gonna tell you so the baby know if you come out again, you can't do CS. Oh jeez, you can't the thing say I bet why they not do the CS before time, right? I know. Chacha, they only consider hospital bills, but don't consider burial money. Somebody say for people where they talk say the hospital bill too much, have you considered the burial money? A word. Thank you. Somebody say yes. Someone to sign in case Yawa bust. Okay, it's only 3 times you go for it, and that's only 3 babies and no more attempts. If the woman tries the 4th one, is because it's dangerous, possibly lead to death. Vincent from Abrama Sawyer. I see you. Hi, Cheche. Session is 45 minutes to drop the baby. Actually, it's good. Even less than what do you think? 45 is less than 45 minutes. Less. Like doctors, piam. You are. Cheche, we are just like the Egyptian. The Hebrew women those days are very strong and healthy. They give birth themselves before midwives arrives. Today, not every woman they strong like that. Either you give birth through the birth canal or the CS. Important thing is you and the baby they okay. If you be said the Hebrew women those days self, they live very far before they arrive. The midwives they live very far before they arrive. The women don't drop. They call the talk say they deliver fast. If you be said they live for Osho State before they will reach Lagos State. Person never born. Everybody you meet make I get belly. Anybody will ask me any question. Share, darling. Thank you for the topic. When I had my first baby, I met a woman who was crying and begging the doctor that she would try and have the baby now, but the doctor said no because she will have complications. Her husband came and was very bad at her for giving birth through CS and was comparing her with women that gave birth normally. He left her in the hospital. It was really annoying. Susan Shebina, she still remain married to that Wuskatia. 95.1 your check power station. I still they read messages for you. Let me tell you, the conversation where they even get inside the studio. if you hear about outside, I just say go just shout. Good afternoon, Cheche. I delivered 2 children through C-section just for us to survive. Nothing wrong with CS, Cheche. And Cheche, I signed by myself. My late husband knows I'm very lazy in pushing. My 4 kids, 1 push, the 3 CS. Thank you. Shebi, you tell yourself the truth. Shebi, you tell yourself the truth. Say, I know, this power, not be by power. You go see people where be say they get power self still. But it is now God everybody there for in hand. It's not by power. Say they show, especially for women. We go they say I'm like saying a powerful thing for you to feel push normally. If anyone not normal to me, whether CSO or this not normal, all of them be to me. Now different ways of giving birth. When I see that talk tomorrow night, if you be say person go feel born and through mouth now. When I there, you go refuse to. You go say I not gonna feel God forbid. I not gonna feel born my pikin through mouth. I no feel vomit my pikin. I'm just saying. This is the time, the new age. Maybe tomorrow now from back they need to bring the pikin out from your side here. They go bring them out. You go say no. Be open. Welcome to civilization. Welcome. You still there? I must give back. Are you a Hebrew woman? You wake up from Tuesday. You be a Hebrew woman. Church, I get back. My 4th baby is through CS because the baby was big. Good day, Church. Doesn't complain at all. My husband don't even complain at all as long as the baby they sound. My mom said it's not in our lineage, but I didn't mind her. Please, no listen, no. What's in there on our lineage? What's in there? Cheche, yes, I think our husbands, they have a big role to play when it comes to that. But some of them care for the money. They will pay more than their wife life. And somebody be asked a question, how about the money for the burial if anything happened to the woman? When you think say money they too much to do CS, you don't do burial before? Somebody raised that question. I don't think that way. But somebody ask. See, when you think say their money for the CS day tomorrow, how much? Okay, 400K, 500K, some people 1 million, depending. You know, say that the emergency one, the cost more. That one where they need to rush immediately to save you at that time. You know, say na in the course than the one where we say doctor don't already explain, give you. You don't plan them, you don't ready to go in for them. In all of them, now only God is safe. I go still pick calls that they come. Great job, church. Pharaoh gave an order to kill every male of the Hebrew woman. Thank you. Aish, I love my listeners. Aish. Who give me this update? He said, but the Hebrew women gave birth before the arrival of the midwife. CS is okay. Codis, thank you. I love my listeners. So here, another insight. So when Pharaoh been give that order, now the Hebrew women now begin their fear, right? Indo, you see them? The Hebrew women begin their fear, so they need to rushly give birth before the midwives go arrive. Because when Pharaoh come, they ask them how far now. You understand? So they rushly they give birth and then try to hide whether na male child now they go hide them. So now where that thing also come out. But I know, say why the midwives them be they talk them be say, and the Hebrew women being they stronger. They did this, they did because they work for feed, they tigre, and they even break stones. So now it be one of these issues now where we don't correlate, put for Nigerian head, put for Africa head, put for UK, for US. If you know born like the Hebrew man, thank God. Me I kuku no be Hebrew man. Now God now creates me. Anyhow one want take born, I go born. If after the way scientists waiting at they wait for another beginning formation of math on because as it them in I be like saying true math I want use born my own. Hi church, all my 3 children are true CS so they are 14, 11, 8. I rest my case. I don't want to die young. Florence gonna let us die young. Cheche, now what religion be the problem? Okay, good day, Cheche. My words, I had CS 3 times because my baby weighed 5.5 kg. My doctor advised me not to use CS. Cheche, my first child died. Okay, doctor advised me to be using CS. Okay, your first child been died over the labor issue, so that's why I use CS. At least you listen to your doctor. Some people go begin their bind, they cast their doctors. Like say devil don't enter the doctor. I deliver my 3 adorable children through CS Cheche. Cheche, did you say from mouth? Ha! Be there now. I just the talk. You never know. Be there. Welcome to civilization. Cheche Kai, you really said it right. Seriously, that thinking is very bad. The important thing is safe delivery. There are some circumstances that might make a woman to give birth through CS, which is very normal to avoid stories that touch the heart. Cheche, the problem is mostly from some religious counseling. To people around the pregnant women, their advice also follow. Make the person say, God forbid. For me, it's bad. Thank you so much for this enlightenment. Thank you, Oluchi. Hi, Cheche Smith. I love your show. I love you too. Oh, well done. No, me na 3 times I don't go through CS. Well done, mama. Hi, Cheche. Almost says thank you for that message. Somebody said, Cheche, good afternoon. I am 5 times CS mom. I'm proud of myself. You did 5. Darling, you did 5. That's risky. Ooh, Cheche, we are not sure how the Hebrew women gave birth. I'm not even know if 50% of Hebrew women now, they don't even get any belly anything. Scatter their table now. Good afternoon, Cheche. My first and second never not true normal birth canal, but my third born is true CS. I mean emergency because my BP was high. Another angle. You get some women once they don't get belly like this, bam, BP don't go boom. So now that woman I go come the test say, God forbid, doctor don't tell you, madam, nothing until this baby come down. So let's open up and bring it. He said, no, call husband. Husband begin to call pastor for phone. Pastor begin to call spiritual father for phone. Spiritual father come to call villagers for phone. Even mama feed they go babalawo to go bring one or two. Wake up, please. Church, I don't waste time. I go for CS. So nothing is wrong with me. I just don't want stress. Hey, yeah, sorry. I mean, now this one go play that song. I don't want to problem, we know the finish. Make you try to enjoy. I love you. Well done. How many you have now? Church, I have 1 and I'm not going through that again. And my husband support. Congratulations. This my listeners. I'm sorry to say all of them are not the crazy one. Because I come back. I go read more messages once I come back, okay? that particular one. Somebody talk, say I go read more messages before I enter Palava time. If you cross expensive private hospital, then go to general hospital to do your own. Because somebody talk, say to do CS in general hospital is 88,000 naira. How true be this matter? We'll go discuss that matter sometime. Okay, somebody talk, say hello Cheche. Somebody send Obaino. Back to base. Akachku was delivered safely, but the placenta was so big, though it was 4.2. So my wife had a tear when bringing the placenta. As for me, delivery is delivery. No one is easy at all, Obino, at all. Cheche, we have a group called CS Mamas Africa on Facebook. I'm happy that we are liberating many women from Hebrew women mentality. Okay. Cheche, my boss wife had 4 kids from CS. I don't want my private to get okay. Cheche, is not religion, it's ignorance. There's this pastor's wife living just close to me. She gave birth to her 3 children through CS. Okay, darling. Hi, Cheche. I prefer CS than go through labor. Okay, if you say so, Cheche, I don't suffer. I do 3 CS, but the first survived. Still now, I still day hospital bill. She is now 12. Clementina, I see you. Hi, Cheche. You are a Hebrew woman. You will deliver as the Hebrew woman. Vincent from Abraham Adesoya. Okay, I'm a Nigerian woman. Delivery day God hand. Okay, and not even waste time for my second child because now bridge should be the first. The other one. Okay, Cheche, what a nice topic you've treated. Thank you so much for this enlightenment. How are you doing? I'm happy to hear your voice. I'm fine. Cheche, my former church, they see vision for some women. Say even one make them born through CS. Jesus. Make a big calls and then we go enter Palava. Hi, check mouth.
Hello, Cheche Smith.
Hey. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Again today. Now, Julius from Ikorodu.
Julius, my guy. Welcome.
First of all, before I forget, the Sister AJ have called me. So we are on what you gave her my number.
Okay.
We done the discussion.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay. Well done.
So back to the matter. And then I don't get my 1,000 naira recharge card. Thank you very much.
Oh, shit. Thank you too. Thank you
so
too.
Back to the matter. You see, the Bible says my people perish because of lack of knowledge. And I think the problem where so many of us get. The woman deliver successful. No me say, well, if you deliver through operation, you know they're successful. As far as the baby is alive, the mother is alive. In fact, there's nothing wrong with operation. One of my sisters don't deliver on the 31st. So when we don't say get as it be, now we just say them immediately, make them do the operation. And she's okay, the baby is okay. So anybody when they talk say which we know deliver normally, those when get the when they got blessed through that way, made the thank God. But those who deliver through operation, all of them are success as far as the baby they are alive.
And everybody they are alive, right?
Yes.
Thank
the
you.
Most important thing. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Obina. Hi. Thank you so much, Julius. I'm sorry. Hi. Yes.
My darling.
Welcome.
Thank you for this teaching.
Thank you.
I really appreciate it because we need counseling on this matter. Counseling. So that people around these people. Let me give you for instance. When I was admitted in the hospital, one woman like that, she has given birth to a child with CS. The second one, the doctor says yes. She went another scan again. Yes. Do you know that the mother was behind the hospital? She's dying here. That we are praying with Bible that she will give birth like Hebrew women, as she said. After everything, after staying in the hospital, because doctors cannot do operation without the permit of her people. After everything, she still give birth with CS. If you see these twins, very big children like this, she wants to give birth to them. Do you think that she will survive? Okay, one of my sisters, the same thing, the third child, gives you CS. They say no. She has given birth. They keep on turning the baby. After using hand, doing the magic, everything, the baby died. She was regretting it.
Wow.
So all this is counseling. They need to know that there is nothing inside.
No, I don't take them upon myself now to carry placard. True, I said we go run am na series. I go bring doctors here too. Yes.
To counsel people so that they will know that it's not bad. There are some circumstances that made it that you must use CS, and it's not bad.
Yes, thank
you.
My
mother-in-law said that she gave birth to almost 9 children, but one of them was CS, and she did not feel anything. Everything was okay. So that kind of counseling would ginger somebody around her. So So people need to be cancelled on it to know that it's not wrong.
Thank you.
Thank you for the work. You have
Thank
started
you.
it. I think you will complete it, and God will help us.
We have to, Mama.
Thank you, yeah.
Thank you too. Hello, last caller.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Uzo Moloko on the line.
Okay, Uzo.
Yes. Cheche, what I think is this. We need a good enlightenment for everyone out there
Okay.
about this CS thing. It is not a taboo. It's only two ways to have your baby. You hear the voice of the mother and the voice of the child.
Yes.
Through the normal canal and through the CS. But I had a friend of mine, this is a life true story, that she was pregnant and was due for CS. She refused. Do you know that she's going to 8 to 10 years now? She's married, there's no pregnancy again coming up.
So what happened? Why she not born that baby then?
Afraid of being, having CS.
So she lose the baby?
She lost baby and pregnancy is not coming again. I think we need enough enlightenment for every woman. It is not a must that as Mrs. A had her baby normally, that Mrs. B will have her baby normally. This is not the same thing. Yes. CS is not a taboo. It's another means of having your child. Hear your voice of your child and your own voice for Christ.
Another way to born. Oh, God even make it. We supposed to even thank God for the scientists and doctors. We find another way, because before now women they die anyhow.
That is seriously. And again, it is a need for government to help women.
Yes.
Speak to these hospitals. Private and federal, to please have safety on women. Reduce the money for CS. Reduce money for CS. If no woman chose to have a child through CS, but since nature has got it like that, you have no option.
Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much. Now you be my last caller for today. And yes, I go see some other messages. I need to enter Palava. I had the first two one normal, but the third one was CS. Okay, my brother's wife, but the third child and then all the other three in through CS.